Okay, so good morning, everyone. A very, very warm welcome to one and all present here today. For those who do not know me, my name is Sakshi Mohta. I'm 18 and I'm a graduate from undergraduate from St. Xavier's College, Kolkata. So thank you so much for coming here today, showing faith in us and giving us this wonderful opportunity to bring magic into your life. Genuinely speaking, your presence matters a lot because if you wouldn't be here today, we wouldn't be able to tell anyone about this beautiful world. So now let's tell you how we actually got to know about this world. So 2.5 months ago, a lady known as Annie Manjal, who's 23 years old and she stays in Delhi, she introduced us to this magical world. You know, in the beginning when we started these magic book sessions, we actually couldn't understand much. We didn't understand what's going on. Are we getting the our magic's happening in our life? Are we getting the satisfaction? Why is the author constantly telling us pay gratitude to everything possible? But gradually when we got the hold of it, we understood that how important it is, how phenomenal this book is. And genuinely speaking, our mindset 2.5 months ago, the way we looked at life and the way we look at life right now, there's a huge difference. So, and one more thing, this magic book session, which we've already done twice, to in the past 2.5 months. This is like one of the best gifts Yashasvi, Aaron Raj, and I we've given it to ourselves, and we hope that at the end of this 30-day journey, you say the same. That thank God, I came to these sessions and I got to know about this beautiful book. One thing before I start the session is that please understand all of us here, we are at the same pedestal. All of us are friends. यशस्वी आर्यनराज और आए यहाँ पे हम लोग किसी को ज्ञान नहीं दे रहे. there's no सत्संग going on कि इन लोग बोलेंगे हम लोग सुनेंगे, हम लोग बस वो करने आ रहे. Please participate. Then only will you be able to understand why we are actually introducing you to this book. And the main motive behind taking this initiative is to make you understand that life is not just about surviving, it's about living, being alive, being confident, being happy. And while you're fulfilling your dreams, how you should actually be confident, be happy, be positive. And the most important thing is be grateful, be as grateful as possible so that your dreams definitely come true. So now let's begin the session. Before starting the session, basically before starting the reading, I'll just tell you a few ground rules. You need to remember that from tomorrow onwards, this session will start at sharp at 7:45 a.m. We'll be starting the reading at 7:45 a.m. And you need to understand that we will make you read this book in English and in Hindi. You'll be thinking कि क्यों इन लोग हिंदी और इंग्लिश में ये बुक पढ़ा रहे हैं, मतलब लॉजिक क्या है. अब एक चीज़ सोचिए, जब हम लोग कोई एक चीज़ को इंग्लिश में पढ़ते हैं एंड वो सेम चीज़ को हिंदी में पढ़ते हैं, आई एम श्योर आपको एक डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव मिलता है. वो सेम कंटेंट से आप कुछ और सीखते हैं. और जब यशस्वी या आर्यन आपको इंग्लिश में समझाएंगे और मैं हिंदी में, और अदर वे राउंड, आपको एक्चुअल में समझ में आएगा कि हम लोग क्यों, किस वजह से हम लोग आपको इंग्लिश और हिंदी में ये बुक पढ़ा रहे हैं. सो प्लीज़ कोऑपरेट विद अस. Today's session will extend beyond an hour because you need to understand, in order to complete this journey in 30 days, we will have to extend the session beyond an hour. So please bear with us. Today's last chapter is about dreams. So if you have come here today to fulfill your dreams, you need to be here till the end. So let's begin this journey. Thank you so much. I would now request one of you all to please nominate yourself to read. Anyone. The English is really simple. You don't need to worry about that. If anyone could nominate his or herself to read. Anyone, please. Let's just. Anyone could nominate. You don't need to put your video camera on. It's okay.
I'll read.
Okay. Thank you. Please, can I know your name, please?
Sejal.
Okay. Please start.
I'll start.
Yeah.
Acknowledgements. When I first sit down to write a book, the creation begins as a joyful yet solitary one. There is just the universe and me. Then, gradually, the circle begins to widen, encompassing more and more people, all of whom contribute their expertise, until finally you are holding the creation of a new book in your hands. The following people were a part of the ever-widening circle of creation that allowed the magic to reach you. Thank you, thank you, thank you to my daughter Sky, who worked tirelessly side by side with me, editing, along with Josh Gold, who contributed his scientific knowledge and research skills to help me unite the discoveries of science with the world of religion. Thanks to my editor, Cindy Black. 1 second. Just a second.
Yeah. And also, if you all feel that the reader is going a bit fast or going a bit slow, please write in the chat box so she'll accordingly read. Tejas, are you there?
Yeah,
Yeah.
just a second. I've lost my screen.
Uh,
Yeah. Thanks to my editor, Cindy Black from Beyond Words, for her straightforward editing approach and probing questions, which have made me a better writer. Thanks to Nick George for his creative vision, which captured the magic through the interior graphics and the front cover. To Seamus Hoare and Carla Thornton at Gozo Media, thanks for the final production of the graphics and the layout of the book. Thanks to the secret team who helped me take a new book into the world and who are the backbone of my work. In particular, my sister, Jan Child, who heads up the entire publishing team, Andrea Kyer, who heads up our colossal creative team, Paul Harrington, and my sister Glenda Bell, who teamed up with photographer Raphael Kilpatrick and the rest of our team to create the magical pictures in this book.
Tejas, just a minute, please wait and don't mute yourself while I'm saying something. So you must be thinking कि हम लोग को ये acknowledgements क्यों पढ़ा रही है मतलब must be thinking कि हम लोग को ये acknowledgements क्यों पढ़ा रही है या सॉरी फॉर द डिस्टर्बेंस। तो आप सोच रहे होंगे कि हम लोग को ये एक्नॉलेजमेंट्स क्यों पढ़ा रही है, मतलब क्या है, क्या हो क्या रहा है। आप एक चीज़ सोचिए, अगर आपको पता ही नहीं होगा कि बुक को लिखने में ऑथर को रोंडा ब्रायन वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सेलिंग ऑथर, उसको मदद कौन किया है उनको, तो मतलब आप शुरुआत में धन्यवाद नहीं दे रहे, आपको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है बुक कौन लिखा है, किसके कारण आप ये बुक पढ़ रहे हैं, कौन लोग शामिल है इस बुक को लिखने में। तो प्लीज़ दैट इज़ द रीज़न वाई वी आर रीडिंग द एक्नॉलेजमेंट्स। प्लीज़ कंटिन्यू सेजल।
Yeah. Next page. And thanks to the other secret team members whose behind the scenes work is invaluable. Don Zick, Mark O'Connor, Mike Gardiner, Laurie Sharapov, Corey Johansson, Shai Lee, Peter Byrne, and my daughter Haley. Thank you, thank you, thank you to my publishers, Atria Books and Simon & Schuster, to Caroline Reddy, Judith Kerr, Darlene DeLillo, Twiston Fan, James Pervin, Kimberly Goldstein, and I sold Saw. I'm blessed to have such an amazing team of people. Thank you, thank you, thank you to Angel Martin Villayos for his spiritual guidance, love, and wisdom, to my sister Pauline Vernon and my dearest friends and family for their continued support and enthusiasm for my work, and the deepest gratitude to those great human beings of centuries ago. 1 second, the chat is done. Who discovered the truths of life and who left the written words so that we might discover at exactly the right time that indefinable life-changing moment when we have the eyes to see and the ears to hear.
So that indefinable life-changing moment when we have the eyes to see and the ears to hear, the last line of this chapter. Can the reader, if possible, can you tell me your interpretation of this line? Like, what do you think by this line? What is the author trying to say, if possible?
To see, like to observe everything.
Yeah, so definitely. So the indefinable life-changing moment when we have the eyes to see and the ears to hear. My request, my invitation to each one of you here is, आप प्लीज़ अपने कान खड़े करिए, अपने आँख खोलिए, प्लीज़ डोंट लाई डाउन। कोई मतलब नहीं होगा अगर आप लेट के देखेंगे, पता चला आप बुक के बीच में सो ही गए। यहाँ पे तो स्टोरी सुन रहे हैं ना हम लोग, तो जब स्टोरी क्यों सुनते हैं हम लोग, बुक रीडिंग क्यों करते हैं रात को सोने से पहले, ताकि नींद आए। तो प्लीज़ सिट स्ट्रेट ताकि आप हर चीज़ को ग्रैब कर पाए, बिकॉज इस बुक में हर एक वर्ड इतना इम्पॉर्टेंट है एंड आपको खुद धीरे धीरे समझ में आएगा जब हम लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे। सो प्लीज़ यूज़ योर आईज, यूज़ योर ईयर्स, पे अटेंशन, इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ फिनोमिनल जर्नी। नेक्स्ट चैप्टर प्लीज। ओके, सो कंटेंट्स, आज हम ये फर्स्ट को चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे, डू यू बिलीव इन मैजिक, अ ग्रेट मिस्ट्री इज रिवील, ब्रिंग द मैजिक इन टू योर लाइफ एंड अ मैजिकल बुक। एंड डे 1 आपको जो दिख रहा है, डे 1, डे 2, डे 3 ऐसे करके डे 28 तक है, जिसमें हम लोग को रोज एक असाइनमेंट दिया जाएगा जो हम लोग सब लोग जरूर से करेंगे। एंड जो लास्ट चैप्टर्स है, योर मैजिकल फ्यूचर, जो मैजिक नेवर एंड्स, एंड बाकी 3 हम लोग 30th डे पे पढ़ेंगे। सो नाउ वी एक्चुअली स्टार्ट द बुक। Reader, please continue. Caesar.
Do you believe in magic?
So, do you believe in magic? This is a very, very important question. Ask yourself, क्या आप magic में believe करते हैं कि नहीं? Please continue, Caesar.
Those who don't believe in magic will never find it. Roald Dahl. Remember when you were a child and you looked at life?
Just a minute. Those who don't believe in magic will never ever find it. आप एक चीज सोचिए कि अगर आपको कोई चीज में बिलीव नहीं है, मतलब मम्मी पापा बचपन में बोलते थे इस भगवान को मानो, इनको प्रणाम करो, जब बाहर जाओ बड़ों से मिलो उनको नमस्ते करो, बचपन में हम लोग कर देते थे। बट अभी व्हेन वी आर ओल्ड, सब लोग हम लोग के एज के लोग 18, 19 एंड अबव, हर जन नहीं मिलता है, प्रणाम नहीं करता है। इट्स ओके, क्योंकि उनका बिलीव है कि हर बार मिलके प्रणाम करना जरूरी नहीं है, तो वो नहीं करेंगे। बट अगर आपको बिलीव है कि हम जब मिलते हैं बड़ों से हम लोग को उनको प्रणाम करना चाहिए, जैसे ये मेरा बिलीफ है, वो हम लोग को ब्लेसिंग देते हैं एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव द ब्लेसिंग्स ऑफ आवर एल्डर्स, तो हम वो करते हैं ना। तो अगर आपको मैजिक में बिलीव नहीं है, आप अपनी लाइफ में मैजिक कभी नहीं ला पाएंगे। चाहे आप रोज यहाँ आ जाए, यशस्वी समझा दे, आर्यन समझा दे, आप अकेले ये बुक पढ़ ले, कुछ नहीं समझ पाएंगे, कोई मैजिक नहीं हो पाएगा। तो यू नीड टू फर्स्ट स्टार्ट बिलीविंग इन इट। एंड जिन लोग को ऑलरेडी बिलीफ है, आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू यू, एंड जिन लोग को नहीं है, आई एम श्योर बहुत जल्दी आप लोग को इसमें बिलीव होने लग जाएगा। प्लीज कंटिन्यू।
Remember when you were a child and you looked at life in total wonder and awe? Life was magical and exciting, and the smallest things were utterly thrilling to you.
Magic.
You were fascinated by the frost on the grass, a butterfly flittering through the air, or any strange leaf or rock on the ground. You were full of excitement when you lost a tooth, because it meant the tooth fairy would be coming that night, and you would count down the days to that magical night of Christmas. Even though you had no idea how Santa Claus could get to every child in the world in one night, somehow he did it, and he never let you down. Reindeer could fly, there were fairies in the garden, pets were like people, toys had personalities, dreams came true, and you could touch the stars. Your heart was full of joy, your imagination knew no limits, and you believed that life was magical.
Wait a minute. Thank you. So, एक बार आप सब कुछ भूल जाइए आप और अपने बचपन के बारे में सोचने का ट्राई करिए। रिमेंबर व्हेन यू वर अ चाइल्ड एंड यू लुक्ड एट लाइफ इन अ टोटल वंडर एंड ऑ। तो आप एक चीज सोचिए, व्हेन वी वर अ चाइल्ड, अगर हम लोग को एक आइसक्रीम भी दिया जाता था, द हैप्पीनेस विद इन अस। मतलब मैं खुद देखती हूँ आजकल बच्चों लोग को खाना खिलाने के लिए भी आपको से खाना खा लो, आइसक्रीम मिलेगा, प्लीज खा लो, क्योंकि वो लोग इतने एक्साइटेड रहते हैं एक आइसक्रीम के लिए। और अब जब हम लोग को आइसक्रीम दिया जाए, हाँ आइसक्रीम मिल रहा है, माइंड रिफ्रेश हो जाएगा, थोड़ा अच्छा लगेगा, खा लिए पी लिए, मस्ती हो गया, खत्म। बट हम लोग उसके लिए ग्रेटफुल नहीं है। बचपन में एक लिक, एक बाइट जब आइसक्रीम का लेते थे हम लोग को क्या खुशी मिलता था। आई एम श्योर यू ऑल विल बी एबल टू रिलेट जब मैं ये बोलने का कोशिश कर रही हूँ। जब हम लोग को पता चलता था कि एवरी क्रिसमस सैंटा क्लॉज आएंगे, गिफ्ट देंगे, क्रिसमस ट्री के अंदर हम लोग को गिफ्ट मिलेगा, हम लोग कितने एक्साइटेड रहते हैं। कोई लोग आई एम श्योर अभी भी रहते हैं, नो डाउट रहते हैं, बट जो एक्साइटमेंट, हैप्पीनेस, केयरफ्री थे हम लोग बचपन में, वो अभी नहीं है। एंड द ऑथर इज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू टेल यू, fill your hearts with joy, because there is no limit to any imagination. If you want to believe in magic, you need to think that you're a child, you need to believe in this book, and you need to fill your hearts with joy. Please continue.
There's an exquisite feeling many of us had as children, that everything is good, that every day promises more excitement and adventure, and that nothing could ever thwart our joy for the magic of it all. But somehow, as we grew into adults, responsibilities, problems, and difficulties took their toll on us. We became disillusioned, and the magic we once believed in as children faded and disappeared. It's one of the reasons why, as adults, we love to be around children so that we can experience. Next page. So that we can experience that feeling we once had, even if it's just for a moment. I am here to tell you that.
Please wait. So the author is telling कि अब देखिए, आप सोचिए, अब हम लोग जब धीरे धीरे बड़े होते हैं, और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज आते हैं शोल्डर्स पे, हम लोग का लाइफ और बर्डनसम हो जाता है, हर समय लॉजिक, ये क्यों करना है, व्हाई इज दिस हैपनिंग, सो ये क्यों करना है, मम्मा ये क्यों करना है, हमको ये नहीं करना है, ये नहीं, हर चीज़ में वी फाइंड लॉजिक, रीजन, बाय व्हाट इज द रीजन, नहीं तो मैं ये नहीं करूँगी काम. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू वन थिंग, 2.5 months पहले मैं भी ऐसी थी. नाउ एट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस बुक आपको एक चीज़ समझना होगा कि आप जब इस जर्नी में आ चुके हैं, जहाँ मैजिक है वहाँ लॉजिक नहीं है, जहाँ लॉजिक है वहाँ मैजिक नहीं है. ये लाइन को गांठ बांध दीजिए. आप एक चीज़ समझ जाइए, जब आप सुबह 8 बजे आ रहे हैं और जब तक आप ये सेशन में, उस समय तक लॉजिक नामक शब्द आपकी डिक्शनरी में एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता है. इट डजंट एग्जिस्ट इन योर डिक्शनरी. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट हर चीज़ जो यहाँ पे ऑथर बोल रही है वो कोई रीज़न से बोल रही है. आप धीरे धीरे समझेंगे कि यहाँ पे सिर्फ वो ऑथर नहीं, हम लोग जैसे लोग नहीं, famous personalities, the most intelligent people we've heard about in our entire lives, उन लोग जितना gratitude दे रहे हैं अपने जीवन में या दिए हैं, किस रीजन से दिए हैं. So please remove logic, please continue.
I am here to tell you that the magic you once believed in is true, and it's the disillusioned adult perspective of life that is false. The magic of life is real, and it's as real as you are. In fact, life can be far more wondrous than you ever thought it was as a child, and more breathtaking, awe inspiring, and exciting than anything you've seen before. When you know what to do to bring forth the magic, you will live the life of your dreams. Then you will wonder how you ever could have given up in believing in the magic of life. You may not see reindeer fly, but you will see the things you've always wanted appearing before your eyes. And you will see the things you've dreamed of for so long suddenly happening. You will never know exactly how everything weaved together for your dreams to come true. Because magic works in the invisible realm, and that's the most thrilling part.
Serial, just a minute. So एक चीज एक और समझ लीजिए. The author just said the magic of life is real and it's as real as you are. So you need to understand, जैसे ये हाथ मेरे सामने है, ये मेरे लिए रियल है. ऑब्वियसली मैजिक मेरे लाइफ में अब आफ्टर 2.5 months उतना ही रियल है. तो आई एम श्योर आपकी लाइफ में भी होगा. और वो आपको ये नहीं बोल रही कि आप अचानक से आसमान में रेनडियर दिखने लग जाएंगे. नहीं, ये नहीं होगा. ये सब मत सोचिए. आप अपने लाइफ में वो देखेंगे जो आपको चाहिए, आप वो मिलेगा आपको जो आपका ड्रीम है. आपको शायद वो सब होगा. आप ना रेनडियर देखेंगे, ना असली में सांता क्लॉज आके आपको गिफ्ट्स देगा क्रिसमस पे. ये नहीं होगा. प्लीज बात को समझिए. प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
Are you ready to experience the magic again? Are you ready to be filled with awe and wonder every day like when you were a child? Get ready for the magic. Our adventure begins 2000 years ago when life-changing knowledge was hidden with a sacred text.
So everyone, are you ready to experience this magic again? Are you ready to be filled with awe and wonder every day like when you were a child? If yes, please write in the chat box. And we need to understand that this adventure began 2000 years ago when life-changing knowledge was hidden within a sacred text. So now the adventure begins. I'm sure everyone's super duper excited. Thank you, Sejal. Thank you so much for reading in English. I would now request Yashasvi to please take the charge.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. And I'm Yashasvi Kothari, as Sakshi beautifully introduced. And so today we are going to read a lot of magical chapters coming ahead. So I'm Yashasvi Kothari, and I'm currently in the first year studying in Sophia College, Mumbai. So now I would like someone else to unmute themselves and read this beautiful chapter. आप unmute करके अपना नाम लेके start कर सकते हैं. Anyone can read.
Shall I read?
Yes. What's your name?
Shalini.
Yes, Shalini ji. Please continue.
I can't see the screen. You need to.
Can everybody else see the screen?
No, the screen is there, but it's a picture.
Yes, so you will have to read the heading, Shani.
Yes, you'll have to read the heading.
No, I can't see the heading. Okay, a great mystery is revealed. The following passage comes from the Gospel of Matthew in the Holy Scriptures, and it has mystified, confused, and been misunderstood by many people over the centuries. Whoever has will be given more, and he will have an abundance. Whoever does not have even what he has will be taken from him. You have to admit that when you read the passage, it appears unjust, as it seems to be saying that the rich will get richer and the poor will get poorer. But there's a riddle to be solved in this passage, a mystery to uncover, and when you know it, a new world will have opened up for you. The answer to the mystery that has eluded so many for centuries is in one hidden word: gratitude. Whoever has gratitude will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her.
Yes,
By the revelation of
one second. Yes, so whoever has gratitude will be given more, and whoever does not have, whatever you have will be taken. So all of you need to understand that this book talks about gratitude. Gratitude is a recurring theme of this book. So what do you mean by recurring? मतलब repeatedly and periodically यही word आते जाएगा पूरे book में, because it is about gratitude. So जैसे it's written in holy scriptures that whoever has will be given more, and whoever does not have, whatever he has will be taken. Half of the people didn't even understand the meaning of this. But today we know that gratitude is behind everything. यहाँ पे जैसे लिखा हुआ है, the rich will get richer and the poor will get poorer. So 95% of the population has 5% of the wealth, while the 5% of the population has 95% of the wealth. Why? Because gratitude. There are so many riddles in this book. तो जैसे हम लोग बचपन में पजल्स खेलते थे, वैसे ही आपको अपने लिए ये रिडल्स अनसॉल्व करना है, क्योंकि आपको अपने लाइफ में मीनिंग ढूंढना है. मैं अपनी लाइफ में ढूंढ सकती हूँ, एंड आपको अपनी लाइफ में ढूंढना पड़ेगा. So yes, let's continue.
By the revelation of one hidden word, a cryptic text is made crystal clear. 2000 years have passed since those words were recorded, but they are as true today as they ever were. If you don't have time to be grateful, you will never have more, and what you do have, you will lose. And the promise of the magic that will happen with gratitude is in these words: if you are grateful, you will be given more, and you will have an abundance.
Yes, 1 minute. So if you don't take the time to be grateful, you will never have more. आप लोग यही सोच होंगे ना यार, मतलब क्या टाइम निकालना है ग्रेटफुल होने के लिए. बोलते तो है थैंक यू फॉर द पार्टी, थैंक यू फॉर द गिफ्ट. दिस इज नॉट अबाउट नॉर्मल ओकेजन्स में थैंक यू बोलना. दिस इज अबाउट बीइंग इन ग्रैटिट्यूड. हर एस्पेक्ट में आपको ग्रैटिट्यूड रहना पड़ेगा. चाहे आपके घर पे चेयर है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है, you have abundance of water, you have free air, for everything you need to be grateful. Please continue.
From the Quran, the promise of gratitude is equally emphatic. And remember, when God proclaimed, if you are grateful, I will give you more. Please change the page. But if you are ungrateful, verily, my punishment is indeed severe. It doesn't matter what religion you follow or whether you are religious or not. These words from the Holy Scriptures and the Quran apply to you and your life. They are describing a fundamental law of science and of the universe.
Yes, so this is not a religious book. It doesn't matter if you believe in God or not, or if you're religious. Because irrespective from where you come and who you are, this book does apply to you. So yes, be in gratitude, because even God said that if you're ungrateful, my punishment will be severe. Please continue.
It's universal law. Gratitude operates through a universal law that governs your whole life. According to the law of attraction, which governs all the energy in our universe, from the formation of an atom to the movement of the planets, like attracts like. It's because of the law of attraction that the cells of every living creature are held together, as well as the substance of every material object. In your life, the law operates on your thoughts and feelings because they are energy too. And so whatever you think, whatever you feel, you attract to you. If you think, I don't like my job, I haven't got enough money, I can't have a perfect partner, I can't pay my bills, I think I'm coming down with something.
1 second.
Appreciate me.
Shalini ji, please check your connection. It's a little unstable.
Okay, 1 minute. If you think I don't like my job, is it fine?
Yes, yes, it's fine.
Hello?
Yes, it's fine. If you think.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Please continue.
He or she doesn't appreciate me. I don't get along with. Change the page. Don't get along with my parents. My child is a problem. My life is a mess. Please
One second, one second, one second. Can you all please mute yourself?
The host, please mute them.
Please keep yourself on mute. It's really disturbing. We're in the middle of a very important chapter. Please continue. My child is a problem.
My child is a problem. My child is a problem. My life is a mess, or my marriage is in trouble. Then you must attract more of those experiences.
But if you think,
I think, Yashasvi, you need to check your network.
can you hear me?
Actually, should I read?
Yes, please read. What's your name?
Mansi.
Yes, Mansi, please continue.
But if you think about what you're grateful for, like, I love my job, my family is very supportive, I had the best vacation, I feel amazing today, I got the biggest tax refund ever, I had a great weekend campaign with my son. I had a great weekend camping with my son, and you sincerely feel the gratitude. The law of attraction says that you must attract more of those things into your life. It works in the same way as metal being drawn to a magnet. Your gratitude is magnetic, and the more gratitude you have, the more abundance you magnetize. It is a universal law. You
Yes,
will have.
one second, Mansi. One second. Yes, so all of you need to understand that Magic Book is level 2. Magic Book talks about gratitude. The level 1 is Secret Book by Rhonda Byrne. I don't know how many of you all have read. It talks about law of attraction and manifestation. So my request to all of you is that today the first assignment is to go and watch The Secret Book because it talks about law of attraction and manifestation. तो अगर आप हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं हम लोग लिंक भेज देंगे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे and if you want to watch it in English you can go on Netflix, it is available there. Please watch the movie because the secret movie because अगर आप वो नहीं देखेंगे तो आपको ये नहीं समझ आएगा क्योंकि ये gratitude के बारे में बात करता है. So this book does not talk about law of attraction. So law of attraction is like, you know, आप mountain पे जाते तो जब echo होता है ना, so you say your name and then it resonates back. Just like that, like attracts like. So if you say I don't like my job, the universe will resonate back. You don't like a job. You don't like a job. You don't like a job. And indeed you'll get circumstances. आपको वैसा ही circumstances मिलेगा कि आप अपना job को नहीं like करें. बट यही अगर आप अपना पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज कर दो बोले वाह यार लाइफ कितनी अच्छी है आई लव माय फैमिली you'll get more reasons to love your family at the best vacation you'll get more vacations in your life. Please continue. Mansi, please continue.
Am I audible now?
Yes, please continue.
You will have heard sayings like, whatever goes around comes around. You reap what you sow. You get what you give. Well, all of those things are describing the same law. They're also describing a principle of the universe that the great scientist Isaac Newton discovered. Newton's scientific discoveries included the fundamental laws of motion in the universe, one of which says, Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. When you apply
Every action has an opposite and equal reaction. Isaac Newton said this. Please continue.
When you apply the idea of gratitude to Newton's law, it says every action of giving thanks always causes the opposite reaction of receiving. And what you receive will always be equal to the amount of gratitude you've given. This means that every action of gratitude sets off a reaction of receiving. The more sincerely and the more deeply grateful you feel. In other words, the more gratitude you give. Next page.
The more you'll receive.
The more you receive. You heard me, right? I'll continue.
No, 1 minute. Yes, so this book talks about gratitude. जैसे हम लोग ने बोला था. So let me tell you one thing, that this is a 30-day journey and I want all of you to be committed, because आप ये level से उस level पे नहीं जा सकते, because all the tasks assigned in this book is designed in the way of gratitude. So please be committed, and it's my sincere request. Please continue, Mansi.
The golden thread of gratitude. Dating back thousands and thousands of years to the earliest recordings of humankind, the power of gratitude was preached and practiced from where there was passed on through the centuries, sweeping across continents, permeating one civilization and culture to the next. The major religions of Christianity, Islam, Judaism, Buddhism, Sikhism, and Hinduism all have gratitude at their core. Muhammad said that gratitude for the abundance you've received is the best insurance that abundance will continue. Buddha said that you have no cause for anything but gratitude and joy. Next page. Lao Tzu said that if you rejoice in the way things are, the whole world will belong to you. Krishna said that whatever he is offered, he accepts with joy. King David spoke of giving thanks to the whole world for everything between the heavens and the earth. And Jesus said, thank you before he performed each miracle. From Australian Aborigines to the African Maasai and Zulu, from the American Navajo, Swine, Cherokee, and the Tahiti Eskimo and Maori, the practice of gratitude at the very root of most indigenous traditions.
Yes, 1 minute. So all of them are talking about the same thing, which is gratitude, the same principle. All the religions, be it Muhammad or be it Buddha. Krishna said that whatever he is offered, he accepts with joy. So joy is the sub part of gratitude. And Jesus said thank you before he performed each miracle. Jesus ne bhi thank you bola tha before performing each miracle. Please continue.
When you arise in the morning, give thanks for the morning light, for your life and the strength. Give thanks for your food and the joy of living. If you see no reason for giving thanks, the fault lies within yourself. Teku Mise, 1768 to 1813, Swine Native American leader. History is laden with famous figures who practiced gratitude and whose achievements put them amongst the greatest human beings who have ever lived. Gandhi, Mother Teresa, Martin Luther King, Dalai Lama, Leonardo da Vinci, Plato, Shakespeare, Aesop, Blake, Emerson, Dickens, Proust, Descartes, Lincoln, Jones, Newton, Einstein, and many more.
Yes, 1 second. So आप लोग सब रिलीजियस होंगे, आप लोग में से बहुत से जन कोई लेवल पे आप लोग या तो भक्ति करते होंगे या तो किसी you will believe in some god, but the root of the religion which talks about gratitude, I don't think any of you on the call has reached to that level of gratitude. Even I have not. Even I have been practicing in 2 months and I'm still in practice of gratitude. तो हाँ, आपको time लगेगा. But yes, be with this book and I assure you that you will develop the law of gratitude. So now we read about all the famous revolutionaries, Gandhi, Shakespeare, all of them made name for themselves. Shakespeare, I'm sure all of you know, we have read about them in our school. So all of them also did gratitude. अगर आप इन किसी की बायोग्राफी पढ़ेंगे तो आपको दिखेगा कि एवरीडे कोर्स ऑफ लाइफ में इन लोग ने ग्रैटिट्यूड यूज किया था, एंड दैट इज व्हाई दे कुड अचीव सो मच इन लाइफ. प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
Albert Einstein's scientific discoveries changed the way we see the universe, and when we asked about this monumental achievement, he spoke. He spoke only of giving thanks to others. One of the most brilliant minds of all time thanked other people over 100 times a day for the work they had done.
Yes, so Albert Einstein was one of the brilliant mind. He was so great. His profound discoveries and inventions. Yet he took out the time to say 100 times a day thank you. Wow, मतलब आप सोचोगे उसने इतना अचीव किया अपने लाइफ में कैसे? He applied gratitude. So why not we? All of us can. Please continue.
Is it any wonder that so many of life's mysteries were revealed to Albert Einstein? Is it any wonder that Albert Einstein made some of the greatest scientific discoveries in history? He practiced gratitude every single day of his life, and in return, he received many forms of abundance. When
Yes.
Isaac Newton,
1 second, Mansi. So all of them have this common trait. All the revolutionaries, all the people who made name for themselves, be it Albert Einstein, Mahatma Gandhi,
Shashvi, your voice
or
is breaking.
Isaac Newton.
Shashvi,
All of them practiced gratitude.
Shashvi, your
And
voice
that
is
is why they
lagging.
release so much in their life. A bunch of things in their life. Please continue. Mansi, are you there?
yeah, Shashvi, I'm there, but your voice is cracking.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, it's much
Yeah.
clearer now.
Yeah.
Actually, I think most of us missed that part where you explained everything. Can you repeat that again?
Yes, sure. So Albert Einstein, Isaac Newton, Gandhi, everybody practiced gratitude. All of the revolutionary people. And आप लोग यही सोच रहे होंगे कि इन लोग ने अपने लाइफ में इतना कैसे अचीव किया? It was because of gratitude. And since they practiced gratitude, they got so much of abundance in their life. Please continue.
When Isaac Newton was asked how he had achieved the scientific discoveries he made, he said that he stood on the shoulders of giants. Isaac Newton, recently voted the greatest contributor to science and humankind, was also grateful to those men and women who lived before him. The scientists, philosophers, inventors, discoverers, and prophets who practiced gratitude reaped its results, and most were aware of its inherent power. Yet still gratitude's power is unknown to most people today. Because to experience the magic of gratitude in your life, you have to practice it.
Yes. So to experience gratitude, you need to practice it. So I want all of you to be committed. This book does not talk about ज्ञान. इस बुक में मतलब अगर आप आ गए 1 घंटा सुन लिए फिर चले गए ना, आपको लगा आप ये बुक बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं, नो. Even we have been practicing, and even you need to read it twice, and you need to do all the assignments. So I'll give you an example. अगर मैं आपको बोलती हूँ कि ये आम खा लो, ये बहुत टेस्टी है, मैंने खाया है, मतलब इसके रस इतने अच्छे हैं, वाओ, द टेक्सचर इज सो स्मूथ, यू विल बी लाइक क्या बोल रही है ये, मतलब मैंने तो खाया भी नहीं, ये तो बस बोलते जा रही है. तो एग्जैक्टली आप जब तक नहीं खाएंगे तो आपको उसका टेस्ट नहीं समझ आएगा. मैं जितना भी उसके बारे में अप्रिशिएट कर दूं मैंगो के टेस्ट के बारे में, यू विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड. Just like that, this magic book is. Till you don't practice for yourself, you will not understand. मैं बोलती रहूंगी कि ये ग्रैटिट्यूड है, ये करना है, वो करना है, पर जब तक आप नहीं करेंगे ना, आपको मैजिक अपने लाइफ में नहीं दिखेगा. आफ्टर 1 month if you come and tell me, मतलब मेरे लाइफ में तो कुछ मैजिक ही नहीं था, आप तो इतना बोल रहे थे, तो मतलब आपने प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं किया अच्छे से. जैसे साक्षी ने बोला था हम लोग को द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द सेशन दैट all the logical minds have to be left behind, because यहाँ पे लॉजिक नहीं चलता. अगर आप लॉजिक लगाने लगेंगे तो फिर हो गया. तो प्लीज my request to all of you is, please be in this journey, and the book guarantees that you will see results. Please continue. My discovery.
Oh, yeah, sure. Yeah. My discovery. My story is a perfect example of what life is like when a person is ignorant of gratitude. What happens when you make gratitude a part of your life? If I had been asked 6 years ago if I was a grateful person, I would have answered yes. For sure I'm a grateful person. I say thank you when I receive a gift, when someone opens the door for me, or when a person does something for me. The truth is I was not a grateful person at all. I did not know what being grateful really meant. And just saying the words thank you on an odd occasion certainly didn't make me a grateful person. My life without gratitude was pretty challenging. I was in debt. It was increasing a little bit more every month. I worked really hard, but my finances never improved. In trying to keep up with the mounting debt and obligations, I was living with a continuous undercurrent of stress. My relationships swung like a pendulum from fair to disastrous because I never seemed to have enough time for each person. While what I would be termed healthy, I felt exhausted at the end of the day, and I always got fair share of colds and the latest illness going around each season. I had moments of I had moments. Shall I continue?
Yes, yes, please continue.
Yes, sharing has stopped.
1 second. I'm just sharing my screen again. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, not this.
Screen.
Not yet. I think it's. We'll just wait for a couple of minutes. It'll be better. It's
Hello.
not there yet. I think it's
It's
coming.
fine.
Not yet. It shows Yashashvi Kothari has started screen sharing. I think it'll be visible.
Can you see it?
Yes, now I can.
Yeah.
I had
Please
moments of
continue. I'm
happiness,
so sorry. Please continue.
not an issue. I had moments of happiness when I went out with my friends or when I went on a vacation. But then the reality of having to work harder to pay for those pleasures would sweep over me. Next page. Yashashvi, can you hear me?
Mansi, sorry, but I just like, please wait a minute. Sorry, everyone. Please just wait for 2 minutes. There's some network issue at Yashasvi's place. Please bear with us. I think the Yashasvi is here. Yashasvi, can you hear us? Yashasvi?
Sakshi or Arindaj, if you all have the book, you all can read.
We can, but it's Yashasvi's part. She'll be explaining all, so there's no point. Everyone, please bear with us. So sorry.
If you all could share some of your experiences so that we could believe it and more.
1 second. 1 second. I'm just sharing my screen. Please continue, Mansi, from the starting.
Yeah, I'll read from the paragraph from where while I was the last paragraph that I read.
So just start from the starting, my discovery.
Okay, fair.
Yeah,
My
thank
discovery. My story is a perfect example of what life is like when a person is ignorant of gratitude and what happens when you make gratitude a part of your life. If I had been asked 6 years ago if I was a grateful person, I would have answered, yes, for sure I'm a grateful person. I say thank you when I receive a gift, when someone opens the door for me, or when a person does something for me. The truth is, I was not a grateful person at all. I did not know what being grateful really meant. And just saying the words thank you on odd occasions certainly didn't make me a grateful person. My life without gratitude was pretty challenging. I was in debt. It was increasing a little bit more every month. I worked really hard, but my finances never improved. In trying to keep up with the mounting debt and obligations, I was living with a continuous undercurrent of stress. My relationships swung like a pendulum from fair to disastrous because I never seemed to have enough time for each person. While I was what would be termed healthy, I felt exhausted at the end of each day. Sorry, and I was sorry, and I always got my share of colds and the latest illness going through around the season. I had moments of happiness when I went out with my friends, when I went on a vacation, but then the reality of having to work harder to pay for all those pleasures would sweep me.
Would
Would
sweep over me.
yeah. Next page.
Yeah.
I wasn't living, I was surviving from day to day, from paycheck to paycheck, and I would no sooner solve one life problem than more problems would appear.
Yes, please stop. So thank you everyone for waiting. I'm so sorry about my internet connection. So yes, I wasn't living, I was surviving. So can you all please write in the chat box कि आपके लिए living का मतलब क्या है आपके life में? And if the reader could unmute herself and please tell me that what does living mean for her?
Living is performing the day to day practices of life and the way we've been seeing it around.
Okay, so for Mansi, living is performing day-to-day practices and the way she sees lives. So let me tell you one thing. Living मतलब आप उस moment में हैं. You are enjoying the moment of your life. You're enjoying the flourishing moments of your life. आप में से कितने जन अपने लाइफ में आप सोचिए आप लिव कर रहे हैं अभी या सरवाइव कर रहे हैं. ऑल ऑफ अस हैव सम प्रॉब्लम्स. अगर आपके पापा एक बिजनेसमैन है तो आप देखेंगे कि वो पूरे टाइम फोन पे रहते हैं, चाहे वो लंच के लिए आए या डिनर के लिए आए या हम लोग वेकेशन पे है. मतलब they are not living, they're not actually enjoying those moments. So basically, I'll give you my example. So when my dad comes up for lunch and you know बहुत सारे टाइम उनका फोन बजता रहता है and he's like please मेरा फोन ले आओ and मतलब बहुत बात उनको ध्यान भी नहीं रहता कि वो क्या खाना खाए and कैसा खाना था. And I actually tell my dad कि dad you need to live in this moment. 10 मिनट बाद काम कर लेना तो कुछ नहीं होगा. अभी आप इस खाने को enjoy करो and इस moment को enjoy करो. So please look for yourself. Please continue. Mansi, please continue from but.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. But then something happened that that would change everything in my life from that day forward. I discovered a secret about life, and as a result of my discovery, one of the things I began to do was practice gratitude each day. As a result of this, everything in my life changed, and the more I practiced gratitude, the more miraculous were the results. My life truly became magical. For the
Yes.
first
So
time,
now we see, 1 second. So now we see how Rhonda Bryan's life changed when she applied gratitude in her life. Please continue.
for the first time in my life, I became debt free. And shortly after that, I had all the money I needed to do whatever I wanted. Problems in my relationships, work, health disappeared. And instead of facing daily obstacles, my days became filled with one good thing and good thing after another. My health and energy increased dramatically, and I felt better than I had in my 20s. My relationships became much more meaningful, and I enjoyed more good times with family and friends in just a few months than I had in all my previous years. More than anything else, I felt happier than I thought it was possible to feel. I was blissfully happy, the happiest I had ever been. Gratitude changed me, and my whole life magically changed.
Yes, तो रोंडा ब्रायन्स लाइफ मैजिकली चेंज्ड. मतलब वो कितने डेट में थी, बट देन व्हेन शी अप्लाइड ग्रैटिट्यूड इन हर लाइफ, यू सॉ हाउ शी बिकेम मोर हैप्पी. सो जस्ट लाइक दैट, आप लोग आज से ग्रैटिट्यूड को अपने लाइफ में प्लीज इम्प्लीमेंट कीजिए एंड यू विल सी रिजल्ट्स इन 1 month. प्लीज डोंट बी लाइक मतलब मैंने 1 दिन कर लिया, 2 दिन कर लिया, मेरे को रिजल्ट्स क्यों नहीं दिख रहा. Because you have to give it time. Even we are doing it since 2 months, and even we are seeing results, and even we are giving it time. Thank you, Mansi, for reading the chapter so beautifully. And now
Thank
I
you so
would
much,
like,
Yashasvi.
yes, and now I would like Aryan to take over the next chapter. So please be alert and sit upright, because now we are entering the world of dreams. आप सबके dreams हैं, and कैसे fulfill करना है, Aryan will tell us.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Yashasvi and Sakshi, for explaining it so gracefully. So, I want a new volunteer. I want a person to volunteer for reading. Can someone volunteer? Hello. क्या किसी को read करना like?
I will read. Rishika here.
Okay, yeah, Rishika read. So, hello guys, I'm Aryan Raj Agarwal. So, Yasha has explained about the great, like she has revealed about the mystery. Now we are entering into the magic, like how to bring the magic into our life. Okay, Rishika, you can start.
Bring the magic into your life. No matter who you are, no matter where you are, no matter what your current circumstances, the magic of gratitude will change your entire life. I have received letters from thousands of people in the worst imaginable situations who have changed their lives completely by practicing gratitude. I have seen miracles take place in health where there seemed to be no hope. I have seen marriages saved and broken relationships transform into magnificent relationships. I have seen those in total poverty become prosperous. And I have seen people in depression catapult into joyful and fulfilling lives.
1 second, Rishika. Yeah. So no matter who you are, no matter where you are, no matter what your current circumstances, मतलब आप अभी कहीं पे भी, like you might be at the rock bottom stage of your life, मतलब कि अभी you might be at the worst condition of your life, or you might be at the peak of your life, like you might be having the best time of your life right now, but still आपको कहीं ना कहीं feel होता होगा कि there's some happiness missing, like you might be having abundance in money or relationship or health, but still that happiness is missing. Like वो जो happiness missing है, that is because we haven't paid enough gratitude. वो happiness, if we want in our life, we have to start paying gratitude. Abhi we'll further know about it in the chapter. Yeah, Rishika, continue.
Gratitude can magically turn your relationships into joyful and meaningful relationships, no matter what state they are in now. Gratitude can miraculously make you more prosperous so that you have the money you need to do the things that you want to do. It will increase your health and bring a level of happiness beyond what you ever felt before. Gratitude will work its magic to accelerate your career, increase success, and bring about your dream job or whatever it is that you want. Whatever it is you want to do. In fact, whatever it is that you want to be, do, or have, gratitude is the way to receive it. The magical power of gratitude turns your life into gold.
1 second, Rishik. Yeah. So इधर आप देखिए, gratitude will work its magic to accelerate your career, increase success. Here, the author is telling you, she's not asking you, she's telling you that gratitude will work its magic to accelerate your career, increase success, and bring about your dream. And this line, in fact, whatever it is that you want to be, do, or have, is the base of the whole book. Like, if you don't understand this line, then you won't be able to understand the book. Like, हम लोग बी डू और हैव we'll know more about it in the closing session, पर अभी के लिए you understand that it's want to be, want to do, or want to have. मतलब what do we want to be? Like we want to be happy, we want to be rich. What do we want to do? Like career wise, we want to we want to be a doctor, we want to help patients, like what do we want to do in career wise, and what do we want to have. Like for example, you might want to have $2 billion, or you want to have happiness in your life. Like you have to answer this question to yourself. You have to first ask and then answer. In the closing session, we'll explain it to you more. And the magical power of gratitude turns your life into gold. So when I say gold, what do you understand by the meaning of word gold? Precious, valuable. आपका life will turn into a precious life, valuable life. Right now you must be thinking, what kind of life am I living right now? Trust me, after 28 days, it will become very precious and valuable to you. Very precious. Yeah, Rishika, continue.
As you practice gratitude, you will understand why particular things in your life may have gone wrong and why certain things might be missing from your life. As you make gratitude a way of life, you will wake up each morning so excited to be alive. You will find yourself completely in love with life. Everything will seem effortless. You will feel as light as a
Rishika. 1 second. Yeah. So as you make gratitude a way of life, you will wake up each morning so excited to be alive. So कितना लोग हम लोग में से think that waking up is a task. Like we just wake up like in a bad mood, or thinking कि आज this assignment is left, or I have to go to office, do this thing, or मतलब कुछ भी, like I have to pay him this, I have to pay him the salary, I have to pay rent. Like waking up has more become like a task than has become exciting thing. Like 3 months before, abhi agar we'll tell you about me, Yasha and Sakshi, 3 months before, we used to sleep at 4 in the morning and wake up at 12. Like it was, क्या बोले मतलब, we don't know what we were doing in life. Like waking up was actually a task for us. उठना है college, we have to do our college, complete our homework, prepare. Like there was nothing exciting going in our life. But since last 75 days, like it is a schedule. We wake up every day at 3:57 in the morning, no matter what. If we sleep at 10, 10:30 or 9:30, we wake up at 3:57 in the morning. And when we wake up, like we feel alive, we are excited for our day. Like जब हम उठते हैं, I'm like, wow, what a beautiful day, thank you for this beautiful day. Like I start my day with my gratitude. Like actually you'll start falling in love with your life. Okay, yeah, Rishika, continue.
you will feel as light as a page.
Yashasvi.
You will feel as light as a feather and happier than you've ever felt before. While challenges may come, you will know how to overcome them and learn from them. Every day will be magical. Every day will be filled with far more magic than when you were a child.
Yeah, 1 second. So when we say that paying gratitude will change your life, we are not saying कि आपके life में problems नहीं आएगी. Problems तो आएगी. We all are humans. Problems, challenges, everything will come. But we'll now get to know about like we'll know the solution, how to overcome those problems, how to fight those problems and live. Like we can even smile when the problems come in front of us. Yes, Rishika, you may continue.
Is your life magical? You can tell right now how much you have actually used gratitude in your life. Just take a look at all of the major areas in your life: money, health, happiness, career, home, and relationships. The areas of your life that are abundant and wonderful are where you have used gratitude and are experiencing the magic as a result. Any areas that are not abundant and wonderful are due to lack of gratitude.
1 second, Rishika. So yeah, so before like experience the magic in our life, we have to understand where we are right now. Matlab, if our life is magical right now or not, like, and how will we know if our life is magical? We have to look at the few major areas in our life. कि money, like हम लोग के पास money बहुत है कि कम है, and बहुत and कम का definition, you know it. Like when you were a child, you always dreamt of your dream money. Like you will be having this much money, you always dreamt of it. Do you have that much money right now? If you don't have, then you haven't experienced that magic yet. Health, आपका जो dream health है, like your dream weight, it can be 60 65 kg, 70 kg, whatever is your dream weight. क्या आपका dream weight वो है? Do you have your dream height? Happiness, like are you happy in your life? Are you happy with whatever you're doing? Like you have to look at all these major areas in your life to understand if your life is magical right now or not. And if you think that in certain areas you are receiving in abundance, like you have money in abundance, so it means कि आपने अपने past में knowingly or unknowingly gratitude pay किया है, like you have practiced gratitude. But वहीं पे if you see that आपके health या career या home या relationship is not up to the mark or is not where what you always thought of, तो आपका it is because you haven't paid enough gratitude and you have taken that part of the life for granted. Okay, Rishika, yeah.
It's a simple fact. When you're not grateful, you cannot receive more in return. You stop the magic from continuing in your life. When you're not grateful, you stop the flow of better health, better relationships, more joy, more money, and the advancement of your job, career, or business. To receive you have to give. It's the law. Gratitude is giving thanks. And without it, you cut yourself off from the magic and from receiving everything you want in life. The bottom line of ungratefulness is that when we're not grateful, we're taking things in our life for granted. When we take things for granted, we are unintentionally taking from ourselves. The law of attraction says that like attracts like. So if we take something for granted, we will be taken from as a result. Remember, whoever does not have gratitude, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her.
One
Most
second, Rishika. 1 second. Yeah, thank you. So, see, यहाँ पे बार बार again and again, even Sakshi told you all twice, and even Yasha told you all many a times that whoever does not have gratitude, even what he or she has, will be taken from him or her. And this is a law. Like attracts like. आप gratitude दोगे तो आपको मिलेगा. आप gratitude नहीं दोगे तो आपसे ले लिया जाएगा. This is a law. And what do you mean by law? जैसे कि law of gravity. If you don't believe in law, जैसे कि आप सोचिए, you jump from a building, okay, and if you don't believe in law of gravity, it doesn't mean you won't get hurt. If you jump from a building, you'll get hurt, whether you believe in it or you don't believe in it. वैसे ही होता है law of attraction. It doesn't matter whether you believe in it or you don't believe in it. You will attract things. Like आप जो करोगे, जो बोलोगे, knowingly or unknowingly, you will be attracting the things. Okay, yeah, Rishika.
Most certainly, you have been grateful at various times in your life. But to see the magic and cause a radical change to your current circumstances, you have to practice gratitude and make it your new way of life.
Okay, yeah. So we have been gratitude many a times. Like if someone opens a door for us, we say thank you. अगर कोई हम लोग के लिए पानी देता है या food लाता है, तो we say thank you. But we never practice it. Like we need to know the difference between practicing gratitude and being grateful. Like being grateful, like we are grateful sometimes. When we practice gratitude, then only we can see the radical change. Like we practice it on daily basis. And how do we practice it on daily basis? We have got different assignments in this book. Like from day one, we'll be starting different practices of gratitude. Okay, Arishika, the magic formula.
The magic formula. Knowledge is a treasure, but practice is the key to it. Ibn Khaldun al-Muqaddimah, 1332 to 1406. Scholar and statesman.
Okay,
Ancient
yeah,
myths and legends.
1 second. Yeah. Knowledge is a treasure, but practice is the key to it. मतलब आपको हम लोग खजाना दे दिए. We'll tell you that gratitude is your treasure. मतलब ये खजाना है. But if you don't practice it, you won't be able to open that तिजोरी. Like जो खजाना की तिजोरी होती है, you won't ever be able to open it. If you actually want to experience, if you want that treasure, like if you want to actually use that treasure, you have to keep practicing it. Practice आपकी चाबी है. Okay, yeah, Rishika.
Ancient myths and legends say that to bring forth magic, a person must first say the magic words. Bringing forth magic from gratitude works in the same way, and first you must say the magic words thank you. I cannot begin to tell you how important the words thank you are for your life. To live in
Yeah, 1 sec. So हम लोग सब छोटे में we have heard about the stories of Ali Baba and Charlie Store, और we have also क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग देखे होंगे मूवी, उसके मूवी देखे होंगे. So what does it happen? Like जब भी अली बाबा को गुफा खुलना होता है तो वो क्या बोलते हैं खुल जा सिम सिम. Like you have to say a magical word, like कुछ जादुई मंत्र होते हैं to experience that magic in life. तो वैसे ही to experience the magic in real life, like this life, we have to use the word thank you. even in Harry Potter, we must have seen, like, they have got different spells. Like, अगर किसी को fly करना होता है, what do the Harry Potter use? What does Harry Potter use? Wingardium Leviosa. So you have to use the magical words, thank you, to actually experience the magic in life. Okay, Rishika, to live in gratitude.
To live in gratitude, to experience the magic in your life, thank you must become the two words you deliberately say and feel more than any other words. They need to become your identity. Thank you is the bridge from where you are now to the life of your dreams.
Okay, one
The ma-
second. Yeah, yeah. So क्या बोलते, no matter where you might be a bank clerk right now, you might be a bank manager right now, you might be coming last in your class, you might be coming first in your class. आपको और आपका ड्रीम के बीच में जो डिफरेंस है, like what where you are right now and where you want to be right now. ठीक है, firstly we have to understand, अगर यहाँ पे we all are here means we all want to achieve something, like we all don't have one thing that we are always thinking of. तो वो जो वन थिंग जो आपको लगता है कि यू हैवंट हैड, उसके और आप में अभी जो डिफरेंस है, डिस्टेंस है, that bridge is thank you. Like we haven't said thank you enough for it. So and guys, this is the magical formula जो अभी Rishika will read. So I really want you all to concentrate on this formula. Okay, Rishika.
The magic formula. Number 1, deliberately think and say the magic words thank you. Number 2, the more you deliberately think and say the magic words thank you, the more gratitude you will feel. Number 3, the more gratitude you deliberately think and feel, the more abundance you receive.
Okay, yeah, one second. Yeah. So we have to understand, हम Sakshi, Yasha, when we started this 75 days back, or when our gurus started 10 years back, whoever, Ashmin ma'am, Ani ma'am, who taught us, even they didn't feel thank you. Like you have to force yourself, because अभी हम लोग का habit नहीं है thank you बोलने का. Like we have to force ourselves to say thank you again and again to people. मतलब आपको कोई फोन कर रहा है, say thank you. Like we have to force ourselves अभी thank you, then only we'll start feeling it. जितना ज्यादा we'll force, उतना ही ज्यादा we'll start feeling the thank you, and जितना ज्यादा we'll feel, उतना ही ज्यादा abundance we'll receive. We won't receive abundance if we'll only say thank you. We have to, and this is whole process. Like force yourself, you'll feel, and then you'll receive. Okay, Rishika. Yeah.
Gratitude is a feeling. So, the ultimate aim in practicing gratitude is to deliberately feel it as much as you can, because it's the force of your feeling that accelerates the magic in your life. Newton's law is one for one. What you give, you receive equally. That means that if you increase your feeling of gratitude, the results in your life will expand to be equal to your feeling. The truer the feeling, the more sincerely grateful you are, the faster your life will change. When you discover how little practice it takes, how easy it is to incorporate gratitude into your daily life, and when you see the magical results for yourself, you will never want to return to the life you used to live. If you practice gratitude a little, your life will change a little. If you practice gratitude a lot every day, your life will change dramatically and in ways that you can hardly imagine.
1 second, Rishika. Yeah. So gratitude is proportionate. Like what do you mean by proportionate? When I say proportionate, मतलब आप जितना ज़्यादा gratitude देंगे उतना ही मिलेगा. Like if you pay gratitude a little, your life will change a little. And if you pay gratitude a lot, like if you practice a lot, your life will change in, like in, क्या बोले, in a way like you can't even imagine. You won't be able to imagine that it is you, it is your life. And once you actually start experiencing that side of your life, you will never want to return to your old life. Like you'll be intoxicated with your life, you'll be used to saying thank you. Okay, yeah. And we have to also understand, it is Newton's law. Like Newton was one of the most intelligent person to be alive in this planet. Like he knew almost everything. He has made so many discoveries, and he also used to pay gratitude every day. And he also said in his autobiography, he was able to like discover all the things because he paid gratitude. If he wouldn't have paid gratitude, he might not have discovered so many things, so many mysteries of life. Yasha, next page.
I'll continue.
Yeah.
A magical book. As we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them. John F. Kennedy, 1917 to 1963, 35th President of the United States.
Okay, one second. As we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live. So when we were talking to people, like when Sakshi, Yasha, and I were talking to people before session, if they have read the magical book or not, magic book or not, most of the people said they have read it. But when we asked them, like, do they practice it on their daily basis or have they practiced it after completing? Most of the people didn't practice it after that. So like you might have the knowledge, आप knowledge देने को दे सकते हैं, but you can only be able to give knowledge or you can able to explain it to people when you have experienced it. Like since last 75 days, we are not saying that we have actually reached the utmost stage of being gratitude, but we have experienced a lot of magic happening in life. Like it's छोटा छोटा magic कहीं ना कहीं हम लोग देखते हैं because we pay gratitude every single day. So we have to start feeling it, just not saying it. Yeah, Rishika, continue.
In this book, there are 28 magical practices that have been specifically designed so that you learn how to use gratitude's magical power to revolutionize your health, money, job, and relationships, and to make your smallest desires and your biggest dreams come true. You will also learn how to practice gratitude to dissolve problems and transform your negative situation. You will be captivated while you read this life changing knowledge, but without practicing what you learn, the knowledge will slip through your fingers, and the opportunity that you attracted to easily change your life will be gone. To ensure this doesn't happen to you, you need to practice gratitude over 28 days so that you impregnate yourself and your subconscious mind with it. Only then will it change your life permanently.
1 second. Yeah. So as I told you, you have to start feeling it. And when you start feeling it, you'll practice it every single day. Why are we asking you to practice it every single day? क्योंकि अगर आप रोज practice करोगे, then every cell of your body, like every cell, your subconscious mind will start being grateful for the things. Like you have never been grateful for, like how many of us have been grateful for the air that we breathe? How many of us have been grateful to our heart? मतलब हम लोग का heart has been there, like is beating even when we are sleeping at night. Like when we are not awake, our heart is awake for us. Like how many of us have been grateful for it? Like it is very important. और क्या बोलते हैं, if we don't practice it, then the knowledge of it will slip. Like आप सच्ची में you won't be able to experience that radical change. Like you'll only be able to experience जब तक आप practice कर रहे हो. Yes, Rishika, continue.
The practices are designed to be completed over 28 consecutive days. This allows you to make gratitude a habit and a new way of life. Practicing gratitude in a concentrated effort over consecutive days guarantees that you will see the magic take place in your life, and fast. Within each magical practice is a wealth of secret teachings that will expand your knowledge in tremendous ways. In each practice, you will understand more and more about how life works and how easy it is to have the life you dreamed of. The first 12 practices use the magical power of gratitude for what you have now and for what you've received in the past. Because unless you're grateful for what you have and what you've received, the magic won't work and you won't receive more. These first 12 practices will set the magic of gratitude into motion immediately. The next 10 practices use the magical power of gratitude for your desires, dreams, and everything you want. Through these 10 practices, you will be able to make your dreams come true and you will see the circumstances of your life magically change. The last 6 practices take you to a whole new level where you will be saturating gratitude into every cell of your body and mind. You will learn how to use gratitude's magical power to help other people resolve problems and improve any negative situation or circumstance you may encounter throughout your life.
1 second,
You
Rishika. 1 second. Yeah. So ये जो the first 12 practices है, like this is the school area. Like हम लोग सब school, college and masters, we know the first 12 practices is the schooling we are doing. Like we are paying gratitude for the things that we have received in the past or we haven't received in the past. Like हम लोग जो इतना mistakes इतने years से करते आ रहे, first we have to correct it, rectify it. The first 12 practices वो है. Then next 10 practices is college. Like now what are dreams? हम लोग का जो भी हम लोग का desires है, whatever we want in our life, हम लोग वो चीज के बारे में we'll start paying gratitude and we'll see it coming to us. And the last 6 practices, when we have completed our masters, like now we are masters of gratitude. Like we can actually not only bring magic in our life but also bring magic in other people's life. और ये book ऐसे designed है, like हम लोग सब we all have, हम लोग सब जो लोग भी एरोप्लेन में ट्रैवल किए, we all must have heard कि पहले अपना ऑक्सीजन मास्क बनाइए और फिर दूसरों की हेल्प कीजिए. फर्स्ट हेल्प योरसेल्फ. तो फर्स्ट 22 practices, first help yourself and then last 6 practices we can make a change in other people's life. And this last 6 practices we are mentioning because in our, when we were also learning or when we were practicing this gratitude in our sessions, most of the mothers always used to have dreams about their children or their husband or their parents. Like mothers never ask for themselves, they always ask for others. So to all the mothers who are present in the session, I request you all, please, for the first 20 days, first experience the magic in your life and then try to change the life of your children or your husbands or your parents. Okay, yeah, Rishika.
You don't need to clear your calendar because each of the practices has been specifically created to fit into your everyday life, whether it's work days, weekends, holidays, or vacations. Gratitude is portable. You take it with you wherever you go, and then wherever you go, the magic happens. If you miss a day, you will most likely lose the momentum of what you have done. To ensure that you don't reduce the magic, if you miss a day, count back 3 days and repeat the practices again from there.
Yeah, one
Some
second.
pra-
Yeah, 1 second. So you don't need to clear your calendar when you're practicing. मतलब आपको अपना जो schedule है पूरा day का, you don't have to change it क्योंकि the task that we'll be assigning you will be like less than 15 minutes ka task. Like it won't be 15 minutes ka task also. And gratitude is portable. Like if you're out for vacation, if you're out for some work, you can carry it with you wherever you go. You can do, like you can practice gratitude wherever and the magic will happen. But there's only one condition: you are not allowed to miss a single day. Like if you miss a single day, you have to count back 3 days. For example, if you are in day 10 and if you're not able to attend this session, like day 10 wala session, if you're not able to attend, then you have to again start from day 7. But the session, our session will continue. Like you will break the chain of the sessions. आपको फिर डे 10 में डे 7, 8, 9, 10 तीनों का चारों का प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. So I request you all, please don't miss any of the practices and session. It won't even take 15 minutes. Okay, yeah, Rishika.
Some practices are designed for the morning and others are designed to do throughout the day. So read each day's practice first thing in the morning. Some practices will need to be read the night before because they begin when you wake, and I will tell you when to do this. You might want to read the next day's practice every night before you go to sleep in order to be prepared. If you do, make sure to reread the practice again in the morning.
Okay, 1 second, Rishika. Yeah, so this para mein they have basically they have told कि आपका सुबह में या रात में जो भी assignment हो, we'll explain it to you in day 1, day 2, day 3. Every day जो भी आपका assignments होगा, you don't need to worry about your assignments. And Rishika, please don't read the last paragraph because if we follow this last paragraph, then we won't see a lot of change. Like we'll see small changes in our life, and the changes that will come बहुत slow speed में होगा. Like it won't happen एकदम fast. Like what we are saying, like in 1 month you will be seeing magic in your life. It won't happen if we follow the last paragraph. So please don't read the last paragraph after the 28 days.
After the 28 days, once you've completed the 28 magical practices, you can use particular practices to increase the magic where or when you have a specific need, such as for health or money, or if you want to receive your dream job, have increased success in your work, or improve a relationship, or to continue the practice of gratitude. You can open this book at random, and whichever practice you open to is the one you attracted. So it's the perfect one to do that day. At the end of the 28 magical practices, there are also recommendations of practices you can use in combination, which will accelerate the magic in specific areas of your life.
1 second. Yeah. So आपका क्या बोलते हैं? This is after 28 days. मतलब when we actually complete this whole magic book session, then क्या बोलते हैं? The author has given different permutations and combination to do concentrated gratitude in the areas that we want to see magic in our life. Like we are not supposed to do it right now, because right now we have to practice in each area. We हम लोग कोई भी area में we haven't paid enough gratitude. So first we have to pay gratitude to in all the areas, and then we'll know. Then we'll learn about the different permutations and combinations that the author has suggested. We'll explain it to you on the last day. Yeah. Rishika,
Can
continue.
you overdo gratitude? Never. Can your life, page, can your life become too magical? Hardly. Use the practices over and over so that gratitude seeps into your consciousness and becomes second nature to you. After 28 days, you will have rewired your brain and implanted gratitude in your subconscious mind, where it is automatically the first thing that comes to your mind in any situation. The magic you experience will be your inspiration, because as you incorporate gratitude into your days, they will be nothing short of spectacular.
1 second. So can you overdo gratitude? No, not at all. मतलब you can't be enough grateful for the things that you have got. Like आपके पास अभी जो जो चीज है, you have to understand that 85% of the people in the minimum 85% of the people in the world are not receiving it. They don't have it. Abhi you're in front of a screen, you are able to hear us. 80% of the world cannot do this thing. Like you have to start being grateful. Like there is no limits of being grateful. And can your life be too magical? Hardly. I don't think that anyone's life can be too magical. If you go and ask Mukesh Ambani right now also, yeah, I agree, he's the richest person in India right now. But if you ask him, he'll say that he can earn more. He still has a vision for the country or anything. He'll still say that his life can become more magical in many ways. So now we have come to the last chapter. What are your dreams? Like this is the most important chapter for today. Like for this chapter, I want you all to have a paper, sit down with a pen and a paper, and I want you all to sit straight, and I want you all to concentrate more on this chapter. Like when Rishika will be reading, I want you all to read along with her with your mics mute. Please read it. This is the most important chapter. अभी आप जो dreams लिखेंगे, these are the dreams that will help you to try to achieve. Okay, Rishika, yeah.
What are your dreams? Many of the magical practices are designed to help you achieve your dreams. Devika Pasari cannot hear anything. I'll
Hello.
continue.
Yeah,
Yes.
you continue.
Many of the magical practices are designed to help you achieve your dreams. Therefore, you need to get clear about what you really want. Sit down with a computer or pen and paper and make a list of what you really want in every area of your life. Think through every detail of what you want to be, do, or have in your life, in your relationships, career, finances, health, in every area that is important to you. You can be as specific and as detailed as you like, but remember, your job is simply to list what you want, not how you're going to get what you want. The how will be done for you when gratitude works its magic.
Okay,
If
yeah,
you want a better job or
okay,
you're better.
1 second. Yeah. So think through every detail of what you want to be, do, or have. As I explained you, what you want to be. Like you want to be happy, you want to be rich, you want whatever you want to be, whatever you want to do. Like you have to think of it. What do you want to have in life? You have to think about it. And when you write, like don't write as if ki, I want to be a successful businessman, or I want to be a, right now I'm using the want word because many of the people are doing this magic book session for the first time. We'll explain you the language also in the end. So for right now I'm using want. So I want to be a successful businessman. So you can't say I want to be a successful businessman. You have to mention what do you mean by successful. Like success ka definition kya hai and what kind of business. You have to be very specific. For example, if like for example, take God as a parent and yourself as a child. And when I'm saying God right now, whoever you believe in it, like energy, God, Bhagwan, Allah, Jesus, whoever you believe, that is God. Okay. So if a child wants to ask his parent for a phone, वो क्या बोलेगा? I want a phone. अब कौन सा phone? For example, if you want iPhone and your father or your mother gets you Samsung, you won't obviously like it. It's because you never specified what kind of phone. आपने बोल दिया कि आपको phone चाहिए, but you never specified what phone do you want. You'll get what you'll ask for. Then you'll say, tell your father, I want a iPhone. So what iPhone? सोचिए आपको black चाहिए, but your mom or your father gave you a pink iPhone. मतलब will you like a pink iPhone? एक pink iPhone carry करना अच्छा लगेगा? Obviously not. So you have to mention, I want a black iPhone. अब black iPhone कितने GB का? 128 GB. अब वो 128 GB में like what do you, आपका जितना भी specification है, you have to specify what do you want or how. When you're a child and when you ask your parent, you never think how will you get it. Like आप कभी भी नहीं अपने कभी आप सोचते नहीं like how will my parent get it for me. When you ask your parents, you know your parents will get it for you. You are not concerned of money कहाँ से आएगा, ये कहाँ से होगा, like will my father go and ask the shopkeeper देगा कि नहीं. You should not be concerned. आपने अपना order दिया है, your order will get delivered to you. Okay, yeah, Rishika, continue.
If you want a better job or your dream job, then think about everything you want the job to be. Think about the things that are important to you, such as the type of work you want to do, how you want to feel in your job, the type of company you want to work for, the kind of people you want to work with, the hours you want to work, where you want your job to be, and the salary you want to receive. Get very clear about what you want in the job by thinking it through thoroughly and writing all the details down.
Yeah, one second. So अब आपका जो भी dream job है, first you have to mention what is your dream job. Then what position do you want to work in? Then in which company do you want to work for? Okay, guys, 1 second. My laptop charge is down. 1 second.
I would please request everyone to now have a pen and paper beside you because soon you'll be writing some dreams. And please pay attention to these paragraphs where they are telling you how to write your dreams regarding different areas of life. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, I'm sorry, guys. So then आप जब mention कर दिए which company do you want to work for and what position, then you have to mention how do you want to feel in the job, like how do you want your boss to treat you. Then you have to write what kind of working environment you want, then what kind of colleagues you want, friendly colleagues or very helpful, very supportive colleagues, and most important, what salary you expect. Like you have to write what is your dream salary. अब सोचिए आपका job अच्छा है, you have got your position, you have got it in a good company that you wanted, but you're not getting the salary that you always expected or you wanted. So it doesn't make sense. You have to write exactly what you want. Like you have to be very clear about what you want in the job. Like think it through. This is a long process. Right now we are talking about life. This is a long thing. Okay, yeah, Rishika, continue.
If you want money to educate your children, work out the details of the education, including which school you want your children to attend, the cost of the school fees, books, food, clothing, and transportation, so that you know exactly how much money you will need. If you want to travel, then write down the details of the countries you want to visit, how long you want to travel for, what you want to see and do, where you want to stay, and the means by which you want to travel.
Okay, 1 second. Huh. So, like, I've asked many people, like, what are your dreams or something. Most of the people say, "हमको दुनिया घूमना." Like, I want to travel around the world. What do you mean by traveling around the world? मतलब, like, is Pakistan or Taliban considered for you? Like, travel करने के लिए Pakistan, Taliban, Afghanistan. Like, does these places sound good to you? You might even end up in the North Pole someday. And this is not. अब आप फिर सोचिएगा मत उस टाइम की why has it happened to me? It's because you wrote you want to travel pura world mein, like you want to travel around the world. Be specific about the countries. Once you have traveled those countries, again write a dream. You can keep ordering, you can keep writing where you want to go. First write where you want to go, like which country. Now go where do you want to stay, मतलब कौन सा hotel में रुकना है. Then what do you want to see there? For example, if I want to go to Paris, what will I write? What do I want to see? I want to go and see Eiffel Tower. If I go to London, where do I want to go? Like London, I for sure I'll be going. So you have to mention where exactly do you want to go, what all do you want to see, where do you want to say, and also write down your dream budget. If you want to be more specific, write down what is your budget for the trip, and then what all will you be shopping, who all do you want to go with, is it alone, then do you want to meet new people and have a friendly relation with them out there. Write down every specific details, like think as if you are living that, you are already traveling that, मतलब you are writing a journal उस time. Okay guys, okay Rishika, yeah, continue.
If you want a perfect partner, then write down every detail of the characteristics you want that person to have. If you want improved relationships, write down the relationships you want to improve and what you want them to be like. If you want more health or an improved bodily condition, be specific about what ways you want to improve your health or body. If you want a dream home, then list every detail of what you want the home to be, room by room. If there are specific material things you want, like a car, clothes, or appliances, write them down.
Okay,
If you want to,
1 second. Yeah. So most of the people here are, I guess, 20s or 30s and are dreaming of their perfect partner. So when you are writing about your perfect partner, you have to mention each and every characteristics, like what, like if you want them to be thin or fat, if you want them to be talkative or to be shy, if you want their friends group, like how do you want their friends group to be? Then do you want that person to be a party kind of person or to be a person like जो आपके साथ खाली dinners में जाएगा? Like you have to mention, like this is your dream, like you're writing down your life. You can't, like आप you can't be very, अब कैसे आपको, like you can't take it for granted, like you can't write it ki I want a perfect partner, he should be very cute and all, like nahi, you have to be very specific aapko kya chahiye. And wahi pe health, body, like for example you want to reduce weight right now, so you can't write I want to become thin. Kya pata if you write I want to become thin and you become very weak, or if you're very thin right now and if you write I want to become healthy, what if you become very fat? Mention every specific detail, like I want to be 65 kgs, my height should be 6 feet tall, what is my, आपका जैसे कि अगर शुगर का प्रॉब्लम है या फिर बीपी का प्रॉब्लम है, what is the ideal blood pressure जो भी होता है, या फिर what is जो भी शुगर का प्रेशर होता है, और your heart rate, whatever the problem is, write down what is your dream, जो भी आपका dream health है. And you can't write कि I want to be fit and health, like I want to be fit and good health, like मेरा good health होए. You have to write down what is the definition of good health, what is the definition of fitness for you. For a person, fitness can be 6 abs, and for a person, fitness can be just a lean body. There are different definitions for everyone. Okay, yeah, continue.
if you want to achieve something such as passing an exam, getting a degree, a goal in sports, succeeding as a musician, doctor, writer, actor, scientist, or a business person, or whatever it is you would like to achieve, write it down and be as specific as possible. I would strongly urge you to find the time to maintain a list of your dreams throughout your life. Write down the little things, the big things, or whatever you want this moment, this month, or this year. As you think of more things, add them to the list, and as you receive things, cross them off the list. An easy way to do a list of what you want is to divide it into categories of health and
Okay,
body.
1 second. So these are the list of categories, because we'll be giving you 5 minutes to write down your dreams right now. I'm sorry, yeah. So you can take help of these categories, but before that, how do you write it? Firstly, when you start writing your dreams, you have to write it in present tense. जैसे कि I want to become thin, like I want to become thin. For example, this is your dream, I want to become thin. So I am thin. And now you'll define what is thin for you. I am 65 kgs. My waist is 30. Like you have to write down what exactly. And then you have to write why. Why do you want to be 65 kgs? Why do you want to have a waist 30? Because so that I look attractive, so that why? So that I have good stamina and I feel alive every time, so that I can run marathons. Whatever your reason can be, you have to mention why. Okay, I'll give you an example. अब जैसे कि क्या बोलते हैं, वही child and parent का सोचिए. So a child, so when I was in class 12, I used to ask my parents for phone. Always I used to ask my parents for phone क्योंकि मेरे अगल बगल most of my friends already had phones. So my parents never used to give me. Why? Because I never had a reason. Why does a class 5 boy needs a phone? Like कोई काम का नहीं है. So when I went to class 8 and I asked them for phone again, this time I got it. Why? Because I had a reason for it. Because I wanted to do my assignments. If I missed my classes, I could talk to my friends. Or if I had any plans, now I've grown up, so I can use phones. So up, you need to have a reason. If you don't have a reason for your dream, for example, अब आपका ड्रीम है कि I have 100 crores. अब आपको पता नहीं वो 100 crores के साथ करना क्या. Like, why do you want that 100 crores? If you don't know, you won't get it. You have to define your dream. Like, explain करना होगा. Why do you want it? Like, for example, if you write, I want 1 crore. Why do I want 1 crore? I'll spend to buy luxuries. What luxuries? Like car, house, whatever it is. You have to write down everything. Why do you want it? So जिसको भी like child और parent का example नहीं समझ आया होगा, I'll explain it to you in a better example. For example, think you have gone to a restaurant, okay? और वहां पे आप जाते तो एक वेटर को ऑर्डर करते हो. यहाँ पे think waiter as that god and yourself and the customer as yourself. तो आप सोचिए, your name is Anand Jain, the name of the customer is Anand Jain and the name of the waiter is Varun Chakravarti. Okay, and you go and so when you go to restaurant, what do you say? You order, I want 1 tandoori roti, 1 dal makhani, 1 aloo da pyaza, 1 shahi paneer. Like, you mention what do you want. But आप अगर जाके वेटर को बोल देंगे जो भी तुमको बेस्ट लगता है मेन्यू में ले आओ, वेटर, that person might like fish curry, he might like chili chicken, उसको जो भी अच्छा लगे and he gets it for you. वो तो अपना बेस्ट चीज ही लाया. that dish might be tasty but you don't eat it, you don't like it. तो अब उसमें उसका क्या गलती है? वो आपको लाके दे दिया अपना बेस्ट चीज, तो अब आप बोल रहे कि ये क्या ला दिया तुम, ये मेरे साथ क्या हो गया. वैसे ही when you write down your dreams and you say भगवान आपको जो भी अच्छा लगे मेरे को दे दो, भगवान को जो अच्छा लगेगा वो तो आपको दे देगा, पर आपको अच्छा लगना चाहिए ना. सो आपको जो अच्छा लगे तो राइट डाउन वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट, यू विल गेट एग्जैक्टली वॉट यू. हम लोग जब रेस्टोरेंट जाते कैसे ऑर्डर करते? आई नीड 1 तंदूरी रोटी, बटर या नॉन बटर. अगर बटर है तो कितना बटर, वी मेंशन दैट ऑल्सो. रोटी कड़क होना चाहिए, नहीं होना चाहिए, दाल इतनी गीली होनी चाहिए कि नहीं. वी से एवरी सिंगल थिंग. So why not when we are writing our dreams, we specify everything? This is life we are talking about. Okay, yeah, Rishika, continue.
Divided into categories of health and body, career and work, money, relationships, personal desires, material things, and then just add the things you want to each category. When you get clear about the things you want, you are giving a definite direction to the way you want gratitude's magical power to change your life. And you are ready to begin the most exciting and thrilling adventure you've ever been on.
Okay, we are done. Thank you, Rishika, for reading this chapter. And one more thing, जैसे कि आप क्या बोले, जब रेस्टोरेंट में जाते you never think of how that waiter will get it. Like, आपको पता है आप ऑर्डर ये वेटर लाएगा. So वहीं पे अगर आप अपना ड्रीम जब लिखते हो, you don't have to think how, like कैसे पूरा होगा. Just believe in it and have a good reason for your dream. उसके बाद, and one more thing, now right now we are giving you 5 minutes. Please sit down with a paper and a pen to write down 10 dreams. And I suggest you all write 5 short-term dreams and 5 long-term dreams, क्योंकि when you start writing short-term dreams and start seeing कि आपका क्या बोलते हैं मैजिक हो रहा है, like वो short-term dreams पूरी हो रही है, then you'll have the confidence and your gratitude will start increasing. मतलब आपका जो gratitude है वो increase होने लग जाएगा. So and you'll feel confident about it, और long-term dreams भी आपका फिर पूरा हो जाएगा. So right now I want you all you can take help of these categories, and we are giving you 5 minutes. Please write down your dreams and then we'll help you out writing down. Like, your language might be wrong or you might not have specified a lot, we'll help you out right now. So we are giving you 5 minutes. Thank you. Your time starts now.
हेलो एवरीवन, आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू ऐड वन मोर थिंग कि अगर आपको लग रहा है कि 5 मिनट्स थोड़ा कम है आपके लिए, तो आपका आज ये असाइनमेंट है कि आपको सोच के आपके ड्रीम्स के बारे में लिखना है. तो अगर इफ़ यू ऑल डोंट हैव द बुक, वी विल शेयर द PDF, द हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश PDF on the group, so you can read the assignment from then. You can take the help of these categories.
एवरीवन, भले ही आप खाली 2 एरिया में अभी ड्रीम लिखे, एक एक लाइन का, हेल्थ एंड बॉडी, करियर एंड वर्क, आपको बैठ के अभी डिटेल एक बार पूरा नहीं लिखना, बस एक बार आप ड्रीम लिखिए, क्योंकि कोई ना कोई होगा हम में से जो इनकरेक्ट मैनर में लिखेगा और हम आपको समझा पाएंगे. तो आप अभी 5 मिनट बहुत कम है इस चीज़ के लिए. जो यशस्वी ने कहा, प्लीज उसको सुनिए. 2 ही एरिया में कुछ लिखिए, बट लिखिए ताकि हम आप समझ पाए. हाँ, आप यस ख्याति जी, यू कैन डेफिनेटली राइट एट होम. योर टास्क फॉर टुडे इज दैट यू हैव टू राइट 10 dreams. Only 10 dreams in these areas of life. If anyone has, written one dream also, if you could just tell us, if you're comfortable, what have you written?
Aryan, I wish to visit Bora Bora Island sometime. So can I just write I want to visit Bora Bora Islands?
No, you have to mention I am in Bora Bora Islands. You have to write it in present tense. I am in Bora Bora Islands, and now you have to mention what are you doing in Bora Bora Islands. You have if you want to actually go to Bora Bora Islands, then you'll be knowing the places where you want to visit or the streets. You'll have the image of it. So write down what do you want to do there. मतलब कौन-कौन सा activities आपको करनी है, कौन-कौन सा places you want to visit, the natural and man-made, both the places where you want to visit, and also write down which hotel you want to stay. For example, if you want to stay in Marriott, I am staying in Marriott. You write down I am in Bora Bora. I am visiting in Bora. I am in Bora Bora Islands. I am staying in Marriott, and whatever places where you want to go and visit, write down those places, and then write down कि आपका budget कितना है. If your budget is 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, and also write कितना days के लिए you have gone for the trip. It's a 1 week trip, it's a 2 week trip. फिर आप या फिर अकेले गए हो बोरा बोला आइलैंड्स, or you have gone with your family or with your friends. You have to mention it. Or if you have gone with a tour group, जो groups होती है. Be very specific about it.
Aryan,
Can I speak?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, please.
Yes. I want to tell about my dream. One dream. I'm Kathy's mother-in-law, connected from her phone. So you can explain me how to write it. I've written, I want to improve on my command on Hindi and English both.
So I want to improve my command. So you have to write, I have a good command in the languages, or I have improved my command. Have, you can't write want. Write in present tense कि आप already कर चुके हैं, मतलब आपका command हिंदी और English में हो चुकी है. And then write down कि कैसा, मतलब आप कहीं पे आपको कोई परफॉर्म करना है या कोई स्पीच देना है, तो राइट डाउन वहां पे भी, मतलब कहाँ पे आप वो स्पीच दे रहे हो, कौन से लैंग्वेज में, उस टाइम हिंदी में दे रहे हो कि इंग्लिश में दे रहे हो.
Okay.
हाँ, so be specific. And why do you want to improve your command? That is very important. आपको अपना हिंदी और इंग्लिश, so that you can communicate to people more easily, so that you can express your thoughts. Write the reasons also. आपको अपना रीजन पता होना चाहिए. अब जैसे कि आपको क्या मतलब कोई नॉर्मल इंसान अब हम अपना मन से लिख देगा I want 1,000 crores and I don't have, मतलब हमको पता नहीं वो मनी का करना क्या. Why will that God, energy or universe will give it to me? I have to know what will I do with it. When I write, जब हम मनी का लिखते हैं ना, it is Like I have to be very specific ki I want to give itna money to the society, I want to spend itna on myself, itna on my family, itna for my business. We have to be very specific.
Yes, so the what.
Okay.
Thank you, Aryan.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, thank
So,
you, madam.
Yasha?
हाँ कल्पना आंटी, जैसे आपका what and why बहुत clear होना चाहिए. What you want and why you want.
Okay, thank you. We'll do this task at home and let you know tomorrow.
Auntie, and I'll suggest you one more thing. When we were doing this task, we woke up at 4 in the morning because 4 o'clock it is considered to be Brahm Muhurat. Like when we do it, pura silence hota hai. Agal bagal, like concentration is too high. Like I only think about myself and my dream, like what I want to do in my life. And when I write down the things, I actually imagine it. Like हम क्या कर रहे हैं, मतलब when I write I am a successful businessman, and when I specify it I actually feel it कि हम क्या business कर रहे हैं. I actually, and उस time क्या होता है आंटी कि most of the people are sleeping at that time, so आपका जो भी frequencies और energy है that is more high. Like आप तब आप सोचिए आपके घर में अगर आप 4 o'clock उठ रहे, there might be people waking up at 4, but आपके घर से खाली आपका ही energy उस time pass हो रही है. So आपका ड्रीम शायद और फास्ट होते हैं. एंड वेकिंग अप एट 4 इज आंटी ऐसे भी you'll feel more alive when you start waking up early.
Yeah, I do at
Oh,
times because meditate करते हैं ना तो मैं morning में भी. So thank you, बहुत अच्छा, you are doing very well, all of you.
कल्पना आंटी, एक और चीज,
Thank
जब आप
you.
लिख रहे ड्रीम तो आप ऐसा महसूस करिए वाओ इट्स हैपनिंग, वाओ. जैसे मानसी ने अभी आके बोला मैं बुरा बुरा आइलैंड्स जाना चाहती हूँ. आप जब लिख रहे वाओ आई एम इन बुरा बुरा आइलैंड्स, मैं पानी में स्विम कर रही हूँ, मैं अपने बच्चों के साथ हूँ, मेरे हस्बैंड मेरे साथ है. सोचिए, रोज विजुअलाइज करिए, सोचते रहिए. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता है कि आपका ड्रीम पूरा नहीं हो. अगर आप बिलीव करते कोई चीज में वो होता है ना, तो आप जब लिख रहे तभी भी यूज दीज वर्ड्स, वाओ आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल, इट हैज हैपेंड, दिस इज सो अमेजिंग, आई एम सो हैप्पी. वाओ, समझे आप मैं क्या बोलने का कोशिश कर रही हूँ?
हाँ.
थैंक
So
यू.
what Sakshi said
Thank you.
applies to
बहुत अच्छे से
everyone.
explain कर रहे.
Thank you.
Thank
Aunty.
you.
Thank you. What Sakshi said applies to everyone. Feeling is the frequency. तो आप सबको फील करना, आप जो भी सोच रहे हैं. एंड जैसे आर्य ने कहा कि 4 बजे उठ के अगर आप करेंगे तो बेटर होगा, क्योंकि सब सोए हुए रहते हैं, आपका भी पीस ऑफ माइंड होता है पूरे दिन. सो यस.
ओके एवरीवन, सो आपका असाइनमेंट है, आपको सीक्रेट मूवी देखनी है आज. जिनके पास नहीं है हम उन लोग को भेज देंगे. आपको 10 ड्रीम्स लिखना है, हम लोग आपको कैटेगरीज भेज देंगे ग्रुप पे, आप लिखेंगे एंड आप कल जरूर आएंगे. हम लोग सब लोग को पता है ये बात. थैंक यू सो मच ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ यशस्वी, आर्यन राज एंड आई. वी आर ट्रूली वेरी ग्रेटफुल. सी यू ऑल टुमारो. थैंक यू.
And guys, one more thing, आपका like if Hindi is more comfortable for you, you can also watch Rahasya on YouTube. Many people find Rahasya more comfortable. Like secret थोड़ा difficult to understand अगर हो रहा है तो Rahasya is also easy. You can find it on YouTube very easily. And we'll also try to share the link on the group.
Yes. See you tomorrow at 7:45 a.m. Thank you everyone.
Thank
Have
you
a nice
everyone.
day.
Thank you. And guys, let's do Shukrana before we leave.
Yes, let's do a
Aaj ka.
Shukrana prayer. Please, let's
Shukrana.
hold our hands and close our eyes. Please stay on.
Thank you, God. I woke up early and fresh. Thank you, water, to keep me hydrated and clean. Thank you, air, for helping me to breathe. Thank you, my parents, for taking care of me, loving me, and always supporting me. Thank you, friends, for always loving me, for always entertaining me, for always respecting me, for appreciating me for my work. Thank you, my mind, for understanding and remembering things. Thank you, my body, for being in great shape and working efficiently and helping me to do my things. Thank you, Sakshi and Yasha, for explaining so gracefully. Thank you, participants, for coming and taking the first step in your life to make it magical. Thank you, God, for my good health, safety, and my family's prosperity. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Aryan, for this wonderful Shukrana. And if any of you have any questions regarding today's assignment, you can unmute yourself and ask.
If not, then you can definitely leave the session. We'll see you tomorrow at 7:45.
And if you all will be having any problems in writing your dreams, you can write it on group. And if you are feeling uncomfortable in writing on group, you can always PC us.
Yes.
We'll try to respond to you as soon as possible.
Yes.
Okay.
Very
Thank
nice
you,
session,
thank
guys.
you,
We
thank
really
you.
enjoyed it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank
thank
you
you
so
so
Very well done. All
much.
3 of you, great initiative and lots to learn for 3 of you.
Thank you, Auntie. Even we learn a lot from you, Auntie, in the session.
Yes.
Thank you.
Excellent session. Amazing.
Thank you so much.
First day. All of y'all were phenomenal. All the best.
And guys, please write down 10 dreams tomorrow. Please.
Yes, please do the assignment and especially watch the secret movie. आज Sunday भी है, 90 minutes का movie. अपने पूरे family को आप लेके आ सकते हैं movie दिखाने. नहीं तो आपका तो assignment है ही है. So you have to watch it.
And when you write down these dreams, please don't keep people around you. All. Please lock yourself in the room. Like अकेले में लिखिएगा so that you can concentrate more on what you want.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. See you tomorrow, guys. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Yashasvi. You have done
Thank
very
you so much. Thank you for the session.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Yashasvi. You have done very good job.
तीनों बोलो
With yours.
साक्षी and Aryan.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all of you.